फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस वीडियो इज द पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो सीरीज ऑफ मैजिक। इस वीडियो सीरीज में हम चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर मैजिक बुक के ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे और जानेंगे कि कैसे हम अपनी नेगेटिव थिंकिंग को पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। इस एक किताब में इतनी शक्ति है कि आपकी सभी निगेटिव थिंकिंग, सभी स्कार्सिटी को अबंडेंस में कन्वर्ट कर देंगी, सभी निगेटिव थिंकिंग को पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग में कन्वर्ट कर देंगी। सो बिंज वॉच इट, कंटिन्यू इस वीडियो सीरीज को देखिए और इम्प्लीमेंट करिए ये प्रैक्टिकल स्ट्रेटेजीज and you will witness the negativity around you, the negative thoughts will slowly but surely fade away. So here we are going to discuss about the magical relations. Just imagine करिए कि you are alone in this whole earth. इस दुनिया में, इस पृथ्वी पे आप अकेले ही हैं। अगर आप इस दुनिया में अकेले हो then there is no point to invent some new inventions, new discoveries. There is no use to make a best career, build a business. So just realize that if you are alone on this world, on this earth, what is the use of? There will be no meaning. There will be no pleasure of living alone. When you have people, contacts of people, experience with people, then you will have experience of joy, purpose and meaning in the life. So you can imagine that without people you don't have any meaning. There is no purpose of your life. There will be no purpose. We have to be grateful for the people we interact in day to day life. But do we do? No. हम grateful रहते? No. You know, the research और science ने भी बताया है, those who practice a gratitude, they have close relationships. They feel more connected with friends, more connected with their family members, and they have more contact in their colleagues. आपको पता है कि हम छोटे छोटे बात पे कंप्लेंट करते हैं, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो कंप्लेंट करते हैं, कुछ गलत बोल देते हैं. So this magic book says that for one complaint you have to count 10 blessings. You have to write 10 things you are grateful for that person. So one complaint is equal to the 10 blessings. When we practice gratitude for improving relationship, not only it helps to improve relationships, but it helps to improve yourself. It improves you. It doesn't matter whatever temperament you have, whether you feel very anxious or you have instant anger, or you feel happy, or you have so much excitement for doing something. But when you practice the gratitude, you adopt more patience and the understanding of compassion and kindness increase. And interestingly, once you start practicing the gratitude for a particular person to improve relations, your complaint started vanishing off. You will find that there is no room for complaint. Complaints हो गया, criticism हो गया, blame game हो गया, completely गायब हो जाता है, completely disappears if you practice gratitude. आपको पता है words have power, शब्दों में शक्ति होती है. जब भी आप complaint करते हो, that means you are harming yourself. What if every person close to you said, I love you the way you are? How does that make you feel? How do you feel? आपको कैसा महसूस होगा? If your relations are flourishing, you are one of the luckiest person in the world. So how to improve our relationships? How to flourish our relationships? You have to choose 3 person closest to you that you want to improve relations with. आपको 3 व्यक्ति को चूज करना है जिससे आपके रिलेशंस इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं, या फिर जो भी रिलेशंस है उसको और ज़्यादा इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं. You have to choose 3 persons. Make sure that आपके पास उन तीनों व्यक्तियों के फोटोग्राफ्स होने चाहिए. I understand. फोटोग्राफ्स फिजिकल कॉपी भी हो सकती है या आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन में भी उनकी फ़ोटो हो सकती है. So you must have the photograph. Now sit down and just think about that person. You just think about what are the things you love most about that person. आपको उस व्यक्ति में कौन सी चीज़ें सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आती है. You just think about. It can be their best qualities like their patience, ability to listen, their talent, strength, uniqueness, their smile, sense of humor, their good judgment, kind heart, wisdom, whatever they have, the good things you love the most of those person, just think about it. आपको सिर्फ सोचना है. You have to bring that memory about that person. What are the good things that person have? You can think about the things that you have enjoyed doing with that person. आपको सोचना है कि उन्होंने आपको किस तरह से सपोर्ट किया, कैसे मदद की. अब आपको 5 चीज़ें उस व्यक्ति के बारे में सोचना है जिसके लिए आप ग्रेटफुल हो. चूज द 5 थिंग्स यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन. Now look at that person, maybe on mobile or hard copy of the photo, and say thank you, thank you, thank you for those 5 things that you have chosen with feeling of thankfulness. आप इस तरीके से बोल सकते हो कि थैंक यू, आप उस व्यक्ति का नाम लेना है, थैंक यू XYZ फॉर, इस चीज़ के लिए आपको थैंक यू बोलना है. लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल. थैंक यू वेरी मच आमिर फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो. After finishing this activity, you have to keep those photographs on the wall where you see the most. Maybe your vision board, your study board. Take some effort to see those photographs and express gratitude time to time. You will see the magic start happening in your relations. See, this is how simple it is. So you have to practice daily. This is the simple exercise. Apply it and change your outlook from here to here. And this is the series of 30 videos, so don't miss any single video. So binge watch it, don't miss. So I hope you like this initiative, and if so, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to share this video to your loved one so that they also express gratitude and they also feel grateful and change their outlook from negative to positive. So keep learning, keep smiling, keep enjoying, stay healthy. I'm Sheikh signing off.